Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts on Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start always check your DND mode, so open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the DND remote icon. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated like here. Sometimes you can just enable it by the misclick and forget about that, so just check it and be sure that you have this feature deactivated. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp app and go to the app info. Of course, check the notifications that you have activated, expand advanced and open the additional settings. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next way, open the mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn on the background data and unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache, and try to clear the storage of your app. Choose OK. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. If they are still invisible, let's open settings, swipe down to the system, and choose reset options. Now select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on reset settings, and tap on settings, tap on this button again. And last step, try to upgrade your system, so go to the above phone, choose the wireless update, and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, just install it and check for your WhatsApp alerts again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.